Alright, so I got everything loosened up. I tightened these back up so it would hold these so I can get these fucking hoses off. These things were on there like a motherfucker, dude. All the crud built up underneath them. It fucking took forever to get those off. I got the Delta P sensor off and unplugged. I didn't take that one out yet. I got all this shit loosened up and ready to go. I didn't take those out yet, but I got that off. This is that sensor. This whole thing has to be replaced. You can't clean it. I guess if you spray stuff up in there, it'll make it worse. So that thing has to be replaced. This part, I can just clean everything out, clean this out, clean these fucking hoses out, and good to go. But this has to be replaced. And this one has to be replaced. That one I can check and I might be able to clean, but if it's too bad and I can't get it real clean, I'm just gonna have to replace it too. And the one on the other side that I showed you earlier, you can't clean that one inside either. It has to be replaced. So if you spray stuff up in it, it'll actually make it bad if it isn't bad already. That one there, that's got to be replaced. So still working on it. It's getting ready to start raining though, and if it starts raining, I'm gonna have to shut the hood and wait till it stops, because you don't want to get water in all this shit, because it'll make the soot stick worse. So hopefully it doesn't start fucking raining good. It's kind of sprinkling now, so if it starts raining any harder, I'm gonna have to take a break until it stops. So we'll see what happens.